that Filipinos looks like enjoy their hard time to overcome their smile. I think that is a Filipino spirit, and then that point I have to learn to from Filipino peoples. Hi everyone, this is jisoo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ako na po pala si Jisoo galing Korea. Today I will watch Metro Manila flooded by Typhoon Ulysses. No electricity, no signal, no water, all night. In few days before, I already watched about Metro Manila flooded video by Typhoon Ulysses. This is part 2. Before video, I already make a title like this video income will be used to help Filipinos to damage with Typhoon Ulysses. This video also like that, part 2. So today also let's go watch this video together.
Good morning mga tao. It's been raining all night. We don't have electric all night. They just got it yesterday until today, no electric. I can't drink coffee, we can't eat, you know. It just calmed down. The winds, the storm. This was shaking yesterday.
So that's why no electricity, no signal, no water all night.
We're shaking, you know. We cannot go outside kasi may baha sa labas. So mga tao, you see outside the gate, it's all flooded.
Oh, there looks like already flood a lot. Oh.
And there are kids swimming, I hear.
Whoa, what is that?
Oh shit, there's a car that flooded. Oh my god, guys.
Wow.
Look at the puno. The puno also fell. The tree. Oh la la. Look, the no parking sign, it all fell. All the no parking.
Wow, all of that sign broken, and also that giant tree like that there also broke.
Signs, they all fell. You see, there mga tao.
Oh yes, I mean that trees, big trees also broke.
Very big tree that fell. See how big it is? So big. Oh la la mga tao. Look. Sige, let's go. In reality, we've been preparing for the first typhoon, but nothing happened here in Metro Manila. This second typhoon, it was unexpected and a lot of things happened.
He already experienced it about 2 times in Manila flooded. For me, I never have experience about flooded, so I don't know about how I have to do when flood occurs. So this video will also help to me later if I experienced flooded.
You see mga tao? Look. People, they just watching here. Ano nangyari dito? Mga tao. Mga tao.
Wow. There all looks like road but full of water.
Look at that. Grabe. You see? They are pushing the motorbike. Kawawa siya. Bahana. Oh, yeah. Look, another one there. They're carrying his motorbike. But it's already flooded. This is what we call bayanihan, guys. See? Look, everything flying object. Swimming objects in here. They are bringing their boat. Another one. DJ Khaled, guys. See? Grabe, there's bathtub.
Water almost their waist still now. Wow, very heavy rain.
There's bathtub there. Oh la la, mga tao. They are bringing the bathtub with them.
Oh, bathtub. Oh, why bathtub exist there?
It looks like funeral, mga tao. You see, guys, Filipinos, they are laughing. Even though it's flood, they keep laughing.
Yes, oh, they are flooded, but Basel also say they keep laughing. Wow, Philippines really good at smile and then laughing.
Uh, There's an air bed there. You see the kid? Air bed. Oh la la. Pag wala budget sa swimming pool, guys, this is the best. Look, enjoying the water.
Wow. My God. Wow, they never forgot the smile when they are a hard time to their life. That is very good attitude. I also have to learn like that Filipino spirit. Filipino's spirit, I think. That smile, I think.
Wow. Amazing, amazing, guys. Oh la la. Another one. Oh, kawawa, ha? Yamaha NMAX. NMAX, mga tao. Kawawa, flooded na.
Oh, Philippine also exists a lot of motorcycle like other Southeast Asia countries.
You see, kawawa, the kuya there is kawawa.
Oh,
Look
wow.
at this.
Wow, I think that is Philippine spirit. Don't forget left when they have a hard time, and then kindness also comes from their spirit, I think.
Grabe, how many people drip?
Oh, oh, they looks like he looks like just take a rest on the beach or swimming pool like that. Wow.
Oh my god, mga tao. See? We're fortunate enough here that it's higher than the main road. That's why the water is not coming inside, you see? But all that area is all flooded up until there. See? Even the truck they parked there kasi it's baha. It's flooded. Look at this kuya, he's swimming. He has his swimsuits on. His umbrella. Waterproof. The garbage is flying, guys. See? Garbage flying. Look at the bike, guys. He's smoking inside the river. Grabe, it's like Italy, Vince.
Oh,
Venice,
smoking on the liver. Basel means that blue shirt man, right?
Italy. See? Smoking while taking the river. Look at this bike. It's like floated bike. How to be you po? Grabe. How is the bike floated, guys? Oh la la. They
Wow.
are doing bayanihan, guys, there. See? R.I.P. Carbonara, guys. You see how many tao? How can he drive the bike with the water? Look. He's driving it like there's nothing.
Oh, bike driving on the water? Wow, what is that?
How can he see what's under the water?
Whoa.
Grabe, guys. Lakas, lakas. Look, the garbage just floating. Oh la la. Ang laki yung alikansya mo. See, they're trying to carry the
Philippine
bike
street.
for it not
Philippine
to float, but
street.
it's already flooded.
Always smile.
Grabe, guys, look at the gas tank. See, he's carrying the gas in the water. And they are doing some kalkal bote. Look at the tank, mga tao. It's just floating in the water.
Wow. If only seen this part, they looks like they are enjoying the swimming pool. Wow. after watch this video, I feel like if I have an experience about fluid, I feel very depressed and then very not good feeling. But that Filipinos looks like enjoy their hard time to overcome their smile. I think that is a Filipino spirit, and then that point I have to learn to from Filipino peoples. So this video makes my mind more positive always and then like that. So that is very amazing video to me. So I learned a lot of things on that video. So today also thank you for watch my video and salamat po. See you again. Bye bye.